Hi folks, welcome back. Well, just a wee quick update video. Won't bore you too much with this one. As you can see, gearbox is back on the engine. Turbo's on. Air inlet, fuel rail, EGR cooler. But we had a bit of a cook up. Snapped the bracket for the exhaust, the DPF to turbo connector, so I've had to order one, so it's not coming till Wednesday, so that's not going to happen till Wednesday. So we'll try and sort of get on with the wiring a bit and get back to the exhaust side and the heat shields on Wednesday. So yeah, bit of a letdown, but I'd like to have got them on tonight. But it is what it is. So we're just going to work to a conclusion on it, see what we can get done, and try and get it in a position where I can get the engine in to the car before the weekend. I'm not saying it'll get started by the weekend, but it'll be in the car by the weekend. So just chuck them, and here we go. Another day, another mission. All the wiring's on the car. So airbox is just on so that I could plug a sensor into it and make sure everything fitted and went through there. I'll be taking it back off again so that I can get the engine crane on properly. As you can see, the exhaust clamps on there, or the heat shields and that then bolt together on the back of the exhaust, so can't do that. So got the wiring loom out, got the injectors, the fuel rail all wired up, all the sensors. That's the sensor obviously for the exhausts. There's 3 in total. Also you get your lambda sensor, and one for the DPF and one for before and one for after the cat. So somehow all that is going to fit in there. Good luck to me. So anyway, there's the dog in to say hello and see what the progress is. So the box of fittings is fair dying. It's that's the main plug. So basically the engine's all wired, so we just now have to plug it into the ECU, wire up the water and the diesel, the fuel lines. So as you see, the boxes of nuts and bolts are dwindling fast, which is a good sign, really good sign. So looking forward to the final push tomorrow on getting the engine ready to go in. So I've got to pick up the exhaust bracket, this clamp from the local motor factors at lunchtime tomorrow, so I'll pick that up, and then when I get in from work I'll fit it and put it back together. But as you can see, there's some amount of connections on these things, there's some amount of sensors, some amount of wires. Too much shit to go wrong. But anyway, it is what it is. I think I've basically got my head round it now. Me and Kevin, mate, had a right good discussion about it last night. The thing was on and off the car 3 or 4 times trying to get it in the right positions, but we got there. And here we are, Wednesday. Heat shield, exhausts. Very neat actually, the way they package it all together with the heat shields and stuff. That's the exhaust pipe, obviously it goes to the exhaust under the car. The 2 other pipes, that's your 2 diesel lines. Obviously you're feeding your return. As I say, that's all the wiring done, all the thing done. So Kevin, my mate's coming over tonight, so I'll basically get it on the engine lift. I'll take the aircon rad and drop it onto the floor again like we did the last time, tie it up out of harm's way so that the engine lift can go underneath. And we'll go for the drop in tonight. Got to suss out how to fill I've got to take that gearbox mount off, the automatic transmission mount off, to get to the breather so that we can top up the transmission fluid. You see that's the cable. Obviously I took the air filter off because the hangers for the engine crane are basically right behind it, so rather than messing about. So as you can see, last little update before tonight, it's on the crane, ready to go. So just waiting on Kevin now and we're good to go. So just a wee quick update. As I said, next update you see people, the engine will be in that car by hook or by crook. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Ta-ra for now.